Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector. One should be provided with the device and the box, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you got one or the other, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device right here in between the speakers. So you want to insert your pin, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. And on the tray you have space for just a single SD card. So you can just plop it on here, as you can see. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, at which point you can insert it back into your device. The card should start working immediately without any extra steps. And there it is. As you can see, the tablet is already seeing the card. So anyway, that is how you can insert your SD card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.